I forgot. I was so excited. I should add it on. But hey, it's okay. Thanks to Omega Gel, you can add it on. Just a bit like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then now you can add. It's like tag free. Should I add the big one like this?
Yeah,
Look at that. And then another one. Like maybe 3. And another one. Like 3 of them. You can add smaller one. Oh, looks cool though. How's it going, Dom? You're so into it.
Yes. I forgot. I start thinking, and I forget what I'm doing.
Like right here.
No, it makes me happy.
It's good as a therapist, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
like workings, and then you feel like even you know, some for all of us, I don't know, it might work for you or might work for anybody else. So give it a try, okay? So when you feel your days is so loaded with a lot's going on, like you just, your DNA just everywhere, right? Everywhere. I mean everyone, like, oh, I should do this, I should pick up this, I should cook this, I should clean the house, I should blah blah blah, whatever. Oh, I should doing whatever, exercise, or I should do this. Is it too much going on? It will make you getting a little bit anxious, anxiety. Just only need to do it, just go into
Right.
the stations. If you are like, you know, love to do creative thumbnail art, just sit down, take a deep breath, and then start pull one of the swatches out, like one of the simple nails, and even do anything. You don't have to do crazy of dramatic. Just grab bottle of a nail polish, just go in there and see what is gonna catch your eyes and what gonna make you happy. Pull it out and polish it. Just polish it first, and then it will get you, calm you down so much, and then you can go from there. You're gonna like, oh, I like it, I'm gonna do something with that. Then you can do it. You don't have to do 10 nails, do 1 nails. That is such a great therapy. I do that all the time for myself. So I'm gonna give this a quick here, 30-second. I really like give it a good press down, so then that way it's gonna stay really nice in the Omega Gel. So here,